However, when I click into the article, it doesn't prove that case. The title of the article, when I click into it, is Unibot Exploiter Swaps Stolen Crypto for Ether via Tornado Cash. So let me tell you about what happened. There's been stolen crypto via an exploit on Telegram's chatbot Unibot. It's been swapped for Ether via Tornado Cash, and it's on the move. And according to PeckShield, the attacker first moved the stolen crypto to Uniswap and then sent it to Tornado Cash. You guys know Tornado Cash is a mixer, mixes up your funds, spits them out to different places.